dito po malapit sa ating catwalk.
Sige, my one question is for all the love things here. Kasi di ba, sa pagkakaalam ko, ang totoo lang ng may relasyon sa inyo si Heaven at si Marco. So the rest of the rest of the love things, wala bang level up sa inyong sitwasyon? Wala ba kayong gagawin para maging totohanan na rin ang relasyon niyo tulad ni Heaven at ni Marco? Siguro si ano muna, si Gab tsaka si Hyacinth.
For me, I'm really happy of what me and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvin na yan, hindi namin, ayaw po namin mag-compare and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identity.
Yes, Hyacinth.
The same thing. I don't really want to think about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin. And of course, our relationship and the foundation of our relationship din. Pero so far, you know, I feel very, ano,
Parang pinakilig ka, Hyacinth.
all I can say is I'm very grateful that Gab is we're in a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Thanks. Krisha, kayo, kumusta na ni Jerome?
Hi po. Okay lang po. Payapa ang aming mga puso. May payapa. Kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre. Yun ang masasabi ko po. Kasan po yung kausap ko.
Ito ay.
Ay, hello po.
Nasaan siya ngayon? Wala din siya.
Kasi ito, kailangan po yung mag-swimming papunta dito. So, dyan na lang muna siya.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan sa inyo sa bahay?
Guys, from this table, may gusto
Nag-message naman
mag-question.
po ako na sana everyone is safe. Sana maging safe sila doon.
Ano rin?
Safe naman. Safe naman sila. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations.
Okay, thank you very